I am Dr. Manoj Saxena, the CEO of Netedge Computing Solution Private Limited. Netedge is a Microsoft Gold certified partner providing IT products and services. It has developed a web content management system named NetCMS for creating the websites and the portals. The product has been developed using .NET 3.5, C# and SQL Server 2008. It is offered as a service to the customers on pay-per-use basis under SaaS model. Customers are using NetCMS to create their websites and the portals. These websites are displayed by the NetCMS to the visitors of the websites as per the usage pattern of the application. It needs to scale up on demand and should provide high reliability and availability. Netedge was looking for a development and a hosting platform that is available on demand and is scalable and secure, where development can be done easily without a steep learning curve. We looked at various platforms like Force.com, Amazon EC2 Suite and Windows Azure and evaluated them for the suitability for our NetCMS product. After evaluation on different parameters, we found Windows Azure to be best suited because of the technology compatibility to NetCMS development environment. It was supporting .NET 3.5, C# and SQL Azure. It provided an SDK which integrated very well with our current IDE Visual Studio. The learning curve for the developers was almost like negligible. Interoperability with other environments like Java, PHP, Ruby and Python. Windows Azure has a modular architecture with Windows Azure providing the computing power, SQL Azure providing the persistent storage, and Windows Azure App Fabric providing the security and the interoperability which is needed for large enterprise applications. The migration of the application to Azure involves the following steps: mapping the complete application logic to the worker and the web roles, mapping file storage to blob or X drive, mapping database to SQL Azure, mapping security requirements to Windows Azure App Fabric. The migration of the application involved mapping the front end and the client to the web role. The back-end processes and batch processing was delegated to the worker role. To take advantage of the scalability provided by Azure, the web roles were made stateless. Some of the stored procedures were rewritten in TSQL to be supported by SQL Azure, as SQL Azure does not support extended stored procedures. Security and validations were delegated to Windows Azure App Fabric. The advantage of migration to Azure was due to the cost of ownership, which came down due to the following factors. We paid only for the resources used. It enabled us to offer the application under multi-tenancy. Our pricing of SaaS offering became more competitive. We were able to give better response time and improved quality of service to our customers.
There's a new kind of power that can make your business capable of more than ever before with less. Cloud power. The most comprehensive solutions for the cloud on Earth. From Microsoft.